Welcome to Mara FC. I will appreciate your time being here. This is just a simple tutorial, easy tutorial on how to sew this beautiful dress. Yeah, I made it for my niece. You can make it for your daughter, you can make it for your niece, you can make it for yourself. If you follow these footsteps, the steps, you can make it even for yourself. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, click on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think. So let's get started. You have to measure the fabric, you fold the fabric into two. This is my shoulder slope. I measure 1 inch. And this is my shoulder. I divide it into two. Measure your shoulder, divide into two, then you have half an inch to it. So I'm going to draw my shoulder slope line, and I measure 5 inch for the armhole from the shoulder line. So that's the dart. I measure 2.5 for the dart. I draw my dart line. That place I measure 7 inch. That's where my dart is gonna reach. So I cut my shoulder slope. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Give me a thumbs up. So I measure 2.5. It's a kid, you can measure 2. I measure 2.5. And the width also is 2.5, so 2.5 by 2.5. Just have to cut it out. So this is the front part, and this is the back part. The back, you have to add extra 1.5. You can see the extra there, so I folded it back. So I just trace it out, I just cut it out. The front armhole, I just go in by 1/2 inch. And the back, the neck, I go in by 1 inch. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So I'm making a notch for the dart, both the front and the back. So that's the length. To the waist side, I added 1 inch. You measure from the shoulder to the waist side, you measure 1 inch. The reason why I add 1 inch because I'm going to join the skirt to it. You're going to take half, and the shoulder, joining the shoulder will take half, so making one top. So I'm opening the back. So this is what we're gonna add to it. We're gonna make a gathering skirt. So you have to measure the full length of it. And you detach the top from the skirt. But because I want to make a pocket both sides, I'm going to divide this into two. If you don't want to make a pocket, you don't have to divide this into two. just have to do it, leave it like that, and you do your gathering. But because I want to put pocket in both sides, that's why I divide it into two. So I'll put that one aside. You can see my zip is there. So I just cut 1.5 straight. You can do popping or facing. It's up to you. It's two ways. You can do popping or facing. So after that, you join it together like this, and you pop the armhole. So let's get to the machine and let me show you how it's going to turn out to be. So I didn't pop. I rather to put facing. So I put facing at the back and the facing at the front. You can see I sew around and I'm just turning everything over. This is the back side. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. Tell me what you think. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. It is what it is. Yeah, it's Mora FC. Mora FC. So you see, this is the back. I'm still. I put facing on the back and I put facing on the front. So to see, this is the front. You can see I sew around it, so I'm turning it over. You can decide to pop it. You can decide to do this way. Each way you like it works. So we're gonna join the shoulders together. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Give me a thumbs up so you can see we're gonna join the shoulder together. It is what it is. So here we are joining the shoulder together. That is the dot. I'm making a dot. You can see how beautiful the dot has turned out to be. We're gonna do the same thing at the back. When cutting the thread, don't use your hand. Actually, don't use your scissors to cut the thread. So I'm joining the shoulder together. It's Mora FC. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Tell me what you think. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You can see how I'm joining the shoulder together. Basically, this tutorial will be, this one is the part 1, there will be part 2 of it. So stay tuned and watch the part 2. So we're gonna fit the zip. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tell me what you think. It is what it is. Like I said, this is the part 1 of it. There will be a part 2 on how to do a gathering sketch. When you follow the procedure of the part 2, you can learn how to do a gathering sketch. You just have to get your sketch, cut your sketch, and do a gathering and put your waistband to it. Then it become a gathering sketch for you. So you should have to wait for the part 2 of it. So I'm popping the armhole. That's the armhole I'm popping. If you don't know how to pop a neck and an armhole, I will leave the description. I'll leave the link in the description below. Some of my videos, you can go check it out. To teach you how to do popping. Especially you gotta watch. Basically, I will leave a description below. I've been forgetting the link of the video, but I'll put the description below, so you guys just have to go and watch the video. So I'm fixing the zip. If you don't know how to fix the zip, you gotta tell me how to fix it. Then I'll make an actual video tutorial on how to fix the zip. Just a simple one. You just have to fix it like that. It is what it is. Like I said, this is the part 1 of it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, tell me what you think. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post something, you'll be notified.